My name is Anuj Bhande and I am going to talk about today Agni, the first healthcare center system. Agni, we said the Hindi meaning, it is the fire. In the Ayurveda there are the three doshas: Vat, Pitta, Kapha, seven dhatus: Ras, Rakta, Mas, Med, Asti, Majja, Shukra, and three mal in the India constitutes is the Ayurveda. And Agni, there is a importance of Agni in the Ayurveda perspective. We are going to talk about this. So what is Agni? So I am talking about the Agni is related to the Pitta dosha. How there is a Pitta dosha in our body. So how the Pitta dosha is, we can relate with the modern concept. The Pitta dosha, it is very important for our skin, that is the Bhrajak Pitta. Actually the Pitta dosha helps the digestion of food, that is the Pachak Pitta digesting the food. There are the Pitta like the digestive enzymes. If we food take, then goes to the system, digestive system, and the food breaks down the food, and the food converts into the more simpler form, and the more simpler form that the body gets it and the body utilizes it and converts into energy, and we are then using the energy. How this is the food? This is the concept that the salivary amylase, that is the pepsin, convert the proteins, converts pepsin convert into the peptides, that is the complex molecule convert into the simple. That is how the Pitta dosha is works. Here the food we eat, the elements of the food converts into the elements of the body, and that we how to use the energy. The second thing is the Agni, we can compare with the modern, that is the metabolism, the cellular metabolism. There is a mitochondria. In the mitochondria, actually in the there is a powerhouse of the cell, it is the cord, and the mitochondria powerhouse of cell, because it converts into energy. The molecules are converted into the ATP, the energy is the use here. And how the Agni, we can compare it to the modern concept. Here the molecules are transferred into the energies in this case. So the Pitta dosha is also related to the, that is the blood, and in the actually in the modern there is a hemopoiesis, that is the in the bone marrow the blood is the form, the RBCs are the made. Actually the RBCs are made, there is a iron and the vitamin B12, with this help the blood is made, and the deficiency of the vitamin B12 and the iron, there is a deficiency and cause the anemia, and in the anemia there is a fatigue and the lower the energy and weakness in the body. So same happen in the, if the Pitta dosha is imbalances in the body, so the same thing happens. Actually the Pitta dosha providing the heat, not only for the digestion, the digesting the food, actually just if we have to cook the something, that we need the heat to cook the food. Heat is high or the heat is very low, that food is not properly cooked. Same happens to the digestive system. If we have the heat properly, then the digestion occurs the proper way here, and we can relate this. So the another thing is how the Pitta dosha is related to the heat. Actually the heat is very important for the body. If any of the foreign particle and the molecule virus enters in the body, so body increase the heat to kill the micro foreign particles. There is a metabolism like in the modern concept. There is a pituitary gland, there is a hormone that maintains, there is a homeostasis here level, and also there is a what we call the thyroidism, hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. In a hyperthyroidism, the Agni is increase in that level. So if we take the food, then it is quickly just pass out from the digestive system and not absorbing the properly. So there is a malnutrition here happen, lower the nutrition, improper the nutrition body gets, and there is a weight loss happen here. And in the hypothyroidism, there is not enough Agni, that is not enough fire digest the food even the proper, and there is a weight gain here, because there is a stuff the food like here, and it happens. So in the another thing, hyperthyroidism, yeah, when we eat fat, there is a liver that converts the liver secretes the bile and that converts the fat into the simpler form, the lipids like the form. What happens, the bile ducts converts the fat into the molecules. So how does the Agni here works here, that Agni converts the, there is a role of the digestion here. The Agni converts the molecule into the simpler form. There are the three types of the Agni roles in the body is to increase the ojas, tejas. There is a tej in the skin, there is the smoother skin, that is the importance for the skin. If you say yeah you are the smoother skin and you well skin, that is means the Agni is also the balance, because all the diseases and the systems are related to the digestion. 80% of the diseases from the rooted from the digestive system, believe it or not, from the intestine. And ojas and tejas increase in the body digestive system. Here if the proper digestion happens, then we get the proper nutrition from the food and we bring the wealth of energy. The one of the other thing is there are the three types of Agni. Visham Agni, the Visham Agni from the Vata dosha. There is a dry and you may think like there is a cold air and a dusty air. There is the improper of the Agni, irregular the Agni, there irregular Agni happen in the digestive fire, irregular. So the irregular of the digestive fire can cause the insomnia, that is not a well sleep. In the Vata there is a dry skin and the pale, there is a dry lips there, and there is a dark circles in the eyes and not getting the proper, that is the constipation happen in the Visham Agni. So in the there is a Mandagni means the loss, not enough digestive fire, that if we are going to cook the food and there is not enough heat, then is cook prepare well? No, cook is not prepare well. So that is same thing happen if we eat food, then if there is a low heat to not enough to digest the food, not enough heat to digest the food, then we get the Mandagni, and there is a vomiting, nausea can also cause. Mandagni can be also caused by the not eating well. And there is a Tikshna is related to the Pitta. If we increase the fire, if we cooking the food and there is a excess of the fire, then is the cook prepared? Yes, cook prepared, but not that level that there is a like not eatable, that we cannot eat that. Hence same thing happens if there is a increase the too much, there is a sharpness in their digestive fire, that is the pain, itching, the acidity, the hyperacidity, and we can cause the damage here in the cells here in the digestion, and it is not a well formed, and it may cause the pale skin, and there is a it is painful, the Tikshna Agni. So there are the types of the Agni, and this is the all about the Agni. How does the Agni related to the digestion and absorption of the nutrients? So the Ayurvedic concept Agni, it is the far difference from the modern concept. We are just comparing to get to catch the point that we can understand from here. And thank you.